Hi everyone, here we are going to create a symbol for this. As we can see, we are connected VDD to the VDC equal to 1.2 volt, and the one is from the ground. So in symbol, we have two input pin A and B, and the output is Y. For symbol, we have to go to the create option. Then we can go to the from cell view. This is library name, cell name, schematic to symbol conversion. We can see our data type. Click OK. We have left in the left side, we have to keep only two A and B, and the right pins we have to generate Y. We can also delete this one and put a pin. So there is will be more pin in the top pin and the ground. There also. So we are going to do that way. Just delete this one. Press P. And this will be input and output. Just check VDD. I have VDD in the now. Connect here. No need for this one. Delete this. There also we can create port G and D. We can check and say it's correct. Now go to create cell view from cell view. Yeah, it's good. Next, okay. It's left pin A and the B. Top pin should be ready and the bottom pin just put on. Click okay. This is generated. So just click here and delete this one and delete this. Just move aside. Click M for move. Now click M for move. Just click on this. So you have to design and navigate. Sorry. Now click on this one. So you can see create a number. Now click on this software. This is video. Click on this. Then type M. Place here. Click on this. Type M. Place here. Now select all. Press M for more. This is M for ground. Move here. Now click on this. Here you are seeing the level. You can change the level now. Just NAND to here you are seeing just NAND to type and NAND to come. Click it and place here. This is a symbol which we have made, from the schematic. So it is a symbol generation. Check and save. Symbol is created. Now after that, we will create a test bench in the next video and check whether it is same giving the same output or not. Thank you.